In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on eBay with ease and confidence. Whether you're a first-time buyer or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will simplify the process for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to ebay.com. This is the global online marketplace where you can find just about anything you're looking for. Once you're there, at the top of the homepage, you'll notice a search bar. This is your gateway to finding items of interest. Go ahead and click inside the search bar and type in what you're looking for. For instance, you might be interested in Bluetooth headphones, Nike sneakers, or maybe even a PS5 controller. Be as specific or as broad as you like, but remember, the more detailed your search, the better your results will be. Once your search results appear, take a moment to explore the options. To help narrow down these options to something manageable, use the filters located on the left side of your screen. Here you can refine your search based on price, condition, brand and other categories. Filtering your results can save you a lot of time by honing in on listings that meet your exact needs. When you found a listing that catches your eye, simply click on it for more details. This is where you should spend some time getting to know the item. Carefully read through the description provided by the seller and examine the photos. This will give you a better understanding of what you're potentially purchasing. It's also crucial to look at the seller's feedback score. Ideally, you want to buy from someone with a score of 98% or higher to ensure a positive experience. High feedback scores generally indicate that the seller has a history of satisfying previous customers, which adds an extra layer of security to your purchase. If you've decided that you want the item immediately, you can hit the Buy It Now button. This option allows you to purchase the item without engaging in a bidding process. Alternatively, if you'd like to continue shopping, you can add the item to your cart by clicking Add to Cart. Some listings may also offer you the option to make offer, allowing you to negotiate a potentially better price with the seller. When your shopping is done, go to your cart and review your selections. Once satisfied, click on Proceed to Checkout. At this stage, you'll be prompted to add your shipping address and select a payment method. eBay provides several options including credit card, debit card, PayPal, or even Apple Pay. Lastly, when everything looks correct, finish up by clicking Place Order. And just like that, you've successfully purchased an item on eBay. Enjoy your new product, and remember, once you receive it, consider leaving feedback for the seller, contributing to maintaining this trusted platform. Happy shopping!